down 13.9% from last year the same time. But here's what you haven't heard. It's Friday, April 19th, 2024. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's indie boutique brokerage. This is the weekly Maryland Market Minute. First, the average sales price on homes has risen 6.6% from last year the same time. So if you didn't buy a home last year, you will pay more this year. And why? Because while data indicates that fewer homes sold this past month, Maryland actually has almost 30% fewer homes for sale. Fewer homes for sale equate to fewer homes selling. It's math. Plus, those homes that do sell are selling faster this year than last year the same time, down to 9 days from 11 days before a seller accepts a contract. And sellers are still receiving multiple offers on their homes, driving prices up. Makes sense, doesn't it? If there are more buyers than homes, more buyers are seeing the same inventory and competing for the same homes. Remember what I said in a past update? Maryland is short on housing to the tune of 150,000 units minimum. Now, let's touch on interest rates and the myth about the rate dropping and magically making it okay to buy a home again. Right now, interest rates are perceived as bad because we came off an abnormally low run of interest rates that have never been seen before. I mean, really, 2%? Whereas 6% and 7% interest rates have usually been seen as low and ideal to have. The market now perceives anything in that range as high and hoping for rates to go down. That would be great, I do agree, but we are not going to see 2 and 3%. Here's a tip. When they do go down, what do you think will happen? Imagine a Black Friday sale at Best Buy when they have an 85-inch OLED 4K top-of-the-line TV offered for $150. Stampede, right? But what doesn't happen is Best Buy seeing the stampede and raising the price in the middle of their sale. Nope. Real estate doesn't work like retail. Real estate is priced based on supply and demand. The more demand, the higher the price. You'll see home prices push up again if interest rates do drop. And I've said it before, and I'll say it again. If you want to own a home, buy it now at today's prices, not tomorrow's prices. You not only have a place to live, you'll gain equity while creating memories. And if you are renting, you'll stop paying down your landlord's mortgage and start paying your own. If the rates do drop, you can always assess whether refinancing to a lower interest rate makes sense for your situation. And if you want to keep renting, you have 2,002 rentals available in the entire state of Maryland with the median $2,300 per month lease rate. That's a wrap for this week's Maryland Market Minute, Friday, April 19th, 2024. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. Stay safe. I'll see you next week.